They say that no woman has ever documented a 5.4-liter Triton engine swap before. Well, they're about to be proven wrong. Out here in 50 below wind chills, the cold doesn't care if you're a mom or a mechanic. It just wants to stop you. They wanted over $6,000 to fix the engine in this 2007 Lincoln Navigator. $6,000. That number might as well be $1 million to me right now, but the financial hit isn't even the worst part of this story. This truck was held hostage for 2 months by someone I thought was a friend. It sat in a warehouse where it was stripped of parts, bolts stolen, and I was gaslit into believing I was crazy for even asking for my own property back. And just when I thought it couldn't get worse, my debit card was stolen. The last of my $3,000 right out of my account. None of this is going to stop me, though. Enough talking. Let's get to work.
Okay.
How am I gonna get this out?
This isn't just about mechanical failure. Whoa! Whoa, shit. The whole phone just took a nosedive. Oh my god, it broke it. This isn't about mechanical failure. This is about what you do when it all fails at the same time.
Oh shit!